How to turn off Kick notifications. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video I'll show you how you can turn off Kick notifications. The first step is to launch the Kick app on your device, just like I've done here. Then move to the top right corner, click on your profile icon. On your profiles page, the next step is for you to scroll down until you can see notifications. The notification icon is located under your web history and above chat settings. So notifications, you can select in-app alerts, all right, and then you'll be redirected to your phone settings. So you just go ahead to turn off the show notifications icon, or the show notifications option. Move to the right side, tap on the toggle, and then once it goes off, it shows that your notifications for Kick would be turned off and you will no longer receive notifications from Kick. So that is it. This is very simple. So go try this out. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe and leave a thumbs up. Have a good day.